Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about this application here. It's called Surveys on the Go. But before we get into that, I'm going to go ahead and go into my PayPal account, one of my PayPal accounts, so you guys can see exactly what I have here. I got $0.00. I just transferred the last a little bit of money I had in this account. As you can see, I went to McDonald's. I did this purposely because I'm going to let the money build into this PayPal account that I get from free apps and websites online, so you guys can see at the end of the month. And keep in mind that this is all in my spare time. I'm not on my phone all day doing these sites. Spare time, guys. Just keep that in mind. So anyway, this is called Surveys on the Go. You fill out your profile, whatever, as you can see, and they have surveys here that will pop up when you're out and about, like when you're at a store or whatever. As you can see, this one here is for $2, and it's 35 minutes. That's too long for me. I'm not going to be doing that. But if I had nothing to do, maybe I would. And click on earned here so you can see my balance. So currently I got $10.35 here, and I got paid before. You can see multiple times, 6 times so far. And as you can see the dates, I don't really do this often, as you can see. But anyway, I'm going to hit redeem, cash this out. I can get Amazon, Visa, Starbucks, PayPal. I'm going to go for PayPal. So I'm going to hit PayPal right there, guys. And usually it's instantly. So I'm going to hit continue. And they're going to send it to this PayPal, as you can see. You want to make sure you got the right PayPal address. I'm going to hit confirm. And there you have it, guys. So like I said, most of the time it's instant, so I'm going to pause this here because I don't want this to be too long. Okay, guys, I just got a notification, as you can see, and it is in my PayPal balance. Payment has been sent. $10.35, guys. As you can see, that's really it for this video. Like I said, I will put the links in the description for you guys to join. You got any questions, hit me up and let me know. Till the next time, make some money easy. Peace out.